Does AC consume fuel? Air conditioner versus open windows. Although air conditioning increases your fuel consumption, driving with your windows open can also lead to a reduce in fuel efficiency. This is because the air from the window creates a drag for the vehicle, meaning the engine must work harder. So, which is more fuel efficient, opening your windows or using your air conditioning? Research suggests that you should base it on the speed you're traveling. For example, traveling at speeds of 50 mph 50 miles per hour or less. In this instance, it's more economical to open your windows. This is because running the air conditioning at this low engine speed creates an extra demand, so therefore opening windows is the best option. Traveling at speeds over 50 miles per hour, in this instance, it's more economical to use the air conditioning system. This is because the drag from opening your windows will have more resistance at high speeds.